Hello everyone and welcome back for the computer session. Today we'll cover up through this session a few points. We are going to begin lesson number 2, that is Introduction to Photoshop CS6. So Photoshop is an photo editing software. With the help of this software, we can edit any photos, we can make some changes, we can format and we can edit. So let's understand the basic things about the Photoshop. The version which we are going to learn, that is CS6. That's why the title is given Photoshop CS6. It has a version. So the advanced version is now CS6. Okay. So let's understand the basic things about its screen. Here we can see at the right side on page number 13, it's mentioned here title bar. These are the main components of the screen: title bar, menu bar, toolbox and option bar. Now the title bar is located at the top of the screen. Below that there is a menu bar, and at the left side of the screen this toolbox will be appeared, and at the bottom we can see option bar. Okay, also we'll get some more components like control palettes. Okay, variety of palettes would be available there. So this is the theoretical part. Let's go straight away to Photoshop program. I'm using Photoshop 7. In book, it is given the version Photoshop CS6. I have the crack version of Photoshop 7. So I'm going to show you about Photoshop 7. So here I'm going to switch the screen so you will be able to see this Photoshop 7. So as I introduce you all that about Photoshop, so the top upper part, this is called, this full line is called, what it called, title bar. Okay, just now I have introduced over there. So this is called title bar. Okay, and here we can see file, edit, this image layer, these are menus. So that's why it is called menu bar. That's why this is called menu bar. Okay, and now at the left side, if you will see that this screen is known as toolbox. This box is known as toolbox. Okay, so variety of tools you can see on this screen, and maximum today we are going to learn about these tools. And when you want to edit a photo or the image, you need all these tools. Okay, so I hope so the basic screen elements you understood, and the layers and palettes will be appear here. Rest of the details will appear here. Whatever you will do with the file and the photos, rest of the properties, palettes, layers will appear here. So basically you need to know the screen elements: title bar, menu bar, toolbox and palettes. I hope so it's easy to understand. If you feel any difficult, the moment you feel difficulty or problem, any question, queries, you can ask, no problem. So let's clear all these markings. Now we'll begin the new file and we'll start one by one tools to learn. First of all, we will learn how to create a new file. Just now we completed the screen elements of Photoshop. Now we are going to learn about the how to create new file. Okay, so for that we need to go to file menu, click on file menu and click on the new. Now generally if other applications, if you'll start directly file gets created, but here in Photoshop we have to specify its size in the beginning itself and the resolutions. Okay, so here we can give the name first practical. What you can give your name, any name which is suitable name you can apply. Now I have given here first practical. Title of the work or editing work what we are going to do. Then we have to specify the width and height of the page. Here by default I have selected A4 size. This is a standard size of file, but according to your wish you can make a changes in the size. And resolution is here given, that is 300 dots per inch. Resolution means the images is made up with the small dots, that is called pixels. Dots are called pixels. So here we are going to use 300 pixels which will be 300 pixel will be on 1 inch. Okay, so that resolution the picture will be more clear. By default it is set to 72, so the picture won't be that much sharp, won't be that much clear. So if you want the clear image, then you have to set resolution to 300 and just click OK. Once again, I'll show you the steps. How can we create? Go to File, New, name, type the name first, enter the width and height and resolution, and then click on OK. So our new file is created. So we can create new things on this file. Now, one by one, we are going to learn about the tools. Till now, we have covered that how the screen elements, important screen elements like title bar, menu bar, toolbox, palettes. Just now we learn about how to create new file. Now we are going to learn tools. Okay. Few tools I'm going to introduce here, which would be very useful for you when you want to edit the photos or if you want to draw anything. You can draw the things as well as you can edit the images, ready images. Okay. So we are going to do that now. To understand these tools, we will create some scenarios. Okay, we are going to use some images, and with the help of those images, one by one, all the tools will use. So first of all, we are going to use the selection tool. Okay, so what is the use of this selection tool and how is it important, that we are going to learn. So here I'm going to open few images, which with the help of those images, we can create some good impact and good pictures, and you can understand the importance of all these tools and practical use of these tools. So you can create your own also some editings. Okay, so here this is 7th standard and lesson number 2. So here we have some images available here. So I have selected this grass. Okay, so this grass image as well as eagle and sun. So all these images I'm going to use. That's why I have clicked on open and I have opened this. Okay. Now, first of all, at the bottom, I want the grass. At the bottom, I want the grass. This grass, I want to take it here. So what can I do? I need to do first selection. So I'll do selection. So this part of the image is selected. Now I want to take into my file. That's why I'm going to select this move tool. First, we selected rectangle tool to select this. And now I have selected move tool to move this grass from this file to there. Now this grass size is small. So we can increase by selecting these anchors, these dots which appear around it. Okay. The height and width you can see as per your convenience, you can increase. Press the enter when you feel it is finalized. Once you will press the enter, the image will be applied over there. Now earlier only white page was there. Now this grass we have taken over there. Now we want to take this sun. Okay. So when we want to take sun, we can take with the rectangle. Also we can take circular selection. But here I'm going to use a lasso tool. Okay. Here I'm going to use a lasso tool. With this, I can select the image as I want. Like a pencil, we can draw. Okay, let me do escape. I want to take some more, increase size. Okay, this, and this, finish. Now, what is the advantage of lasso tool? We can, it is free. Like wherever you want to click and that particular shapes you can select. Also, with this, you can click right button and select feathers, and you okay. So you can select the outer part like a blur effect. Okay, when we will take this image to there, you can understand that. Okay, sorry, move tool we have to click first. We need to click on move tool and then we can move it there. Now this is bigger, so I'm going to decrease some more size. Okay, so now we can apply this if you would like to. Okay, so now our upper part and bottom part is ready. So we can go for some more option. Eagle is there. So now eagle I want to take over there. So what I'm going to do is for eagle also I just want to go for the rectangle shape. This I have selected. Select the move and then you can move it to there. Now eagle is quite bigger that I don't want. Okay, now there is one problem with the eagle. Wherever I'm placing this, so it is hiding the back side of this. So somehow we can remove this blue color background. So that would be more good to see the natural look of the page. Now, how can we do that? We have two options. Either we can select the eraser and we can erase the background, or another option is very beautiful option, very good option, that is magic tool. Okay, magic wand tool. Select this, click on the blue color. So entire blue part only will get select. It sends the color. That's why it is called magic tool. Now I'm going to do shortcut use Control X, or we can go to edit menu and we can do cut off. So the blue part, selected part got erased. Now we can get this eagle to the upper part, set the size according to your wish. And now we have set up this part. I hope you understood. Now the next part we are going to learn how to set some more images we can add and we can do this. So here again I need some more image that I'm going to open. So let me go to PC, or let me go to download option because I have downloaded those two images. So here I have two more images, jungle and a lion, a tiger. So we can take this jungle image for there, only some part, because our is in vertical format. Okay, select the move tool. First I have selected, then move with the move tool and taking to the this file. Okay, we have taken this file to this place. Now we will go to this. Now, my dear students, here the work we have to see. Let's take it down a little bit. Okay, and we have set up this jungle also. Press enter to see it clear in the form. Okay, if we will go for the another option which we have selected, so I'm going to delete this layer now by right click. Here right side layers are there, so this is layer, and right click and delete layer. Say yes. Now what can we do? We can go for the lasso tool, so that blur effect we can utilize, and this part of the image, so no more editing work will be. So let's select this from here to here, this one there, here, this, and done. Okay, selection is done. Select move tools, and now we can move it to here. Increase the size of this image, and we can place it here. Now with the blur effect, it will get merged properly in the things. Sorry, we have not applied the effect, feather effect. So we'll apply it, the feather effect. Right click and apply feather 20. And now select the move tool and we can take it to there. So the previous one we want to delete. Let's delete this previous one. And now we can take this one and we can increase the size of it. Okay, now press enter. So we have set upper part, background, Now there is one problem with this grass. So we'll go to the grass image, click on the layer where the grass is, go to magic tool, select the white part of the image and do cut, edit, cut. Okay. So now our jungle is ready with the background. So we can place the tiger over here on the grass. Now close this file we don't want. Now we want a tiger. So let's select this tiger with the move tool. We can move it. Okay, let's make little bigger this tiger. Now once again the same problem, the white background that we want to erase. Now you know very well what to do. Yes. Go to magic wand tool, click on white part. White part will be select. Go to edit and do cut. Now our tiger is there in the jungle. So beautiful. So now we have used in this practical selection tool, lasso tool, move tool, magic wand. So all the selection tools we have used here. Okay. With the help of these all tools, we have done all this work. Understand? Okay. Any doubt, any difficulty, then you can ask. No problem.